shirts. I realized. I then got these cute sweatshirts. They have little California in the corner here. Really cute and comfy. So when I'm like lounging around the house. And then I got this white tank that says Los Angeles. I think everything I got, except for maybe like one thing, is more like cozy, comfy and stuff, or just like if I'm wanting to be still cute but comfy. I have like a dusty dark gray blue tank top. I feel like this one's gonna be so cute to just like throw on and like lounge around the house. And then I got this blue top tank top, which I think I saw some girl wearing it like when she was in there shopping, and it looks so cute. I was like, I need it. And lastly, this off the shoulder. I think this is gonna be super cute. That is everything that I got from Brady.